شبابنا هيا إلى المعالي، هيا سعدوا شوامخ. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. مقابلة صوتية بين كاف وقاف. A sound comparison between kaf and qaf. These are the two letters that people used to mispronounce much in Arabic language. So I want you to take notice and be careful. And first استمع, listen, وردد and repeat. So let's put it, let's zoom it so that we can see it clearly. So look at this. This is kala, kala. This is kaf. This is qala, 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 kala, kala. It means he weighs something. So this is qala, it said something. So can you see the difference? Kala, this is kala. This is qala. This is kada, kada, and this is qada, qada. This is kalbun, 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 qalbun, qalbun, kalil, kalil. This is qalil, qalil, qalil. Kallama, kallama. This is qallama, qallama. This is takrirun, takrirun. This is taqrirun, taqrirun, taqrirun. Bakir, bakirun. This is baqirun, baqirun. Mushrikun, mushrikun is mushrikun, mushrikun, un. And this is ashraka, ashraka, ashraqa, ashraqa, ashraqa. So barakallahu fik. So this one you are asked to choose the word that has qaf, qaf and not kaf. The first one is, it has been done. Qaf, we have number 2. This is qaf, and this is number 1. Is number 3. Qaf, qaf. So do the remain like that. So barakallahu fik. So this one they are asked to choose to write the word that has, is it kaf or qaf that have? This one it has qaf, you are going to write qaf. This one has kaf, you write kaf, so on and so forth. So this one pronounce it barakallahu fik.